What is going on, guys? Biggs here from Learn Bengali, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to say come here in Bengali. Okay, come here can be translated as ven aquí in Spanish, but we're not learning Spanish. Okay, we're learning Bengali. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are. Come here is ekhane asho. Ekhane asho, right there. Ekhane asho. That's for the pronunciation purposes, for all the people who don't know what the heck this is. So yeah, come here, ekhane asho. So that's that. Come here is ekhane asho. That's the straight up translation. Here we have two words. Down in Bengali we got two words, not yards. Okay, as well. Okay, how are you gonna answer that? See, whenever we ask kids in English, like, come here, and what do they say? Coming, coming right here. Coming means ashchi in Bangla. Okay, ashchi right there, ashchi. And if you want to say, oh, I'm coming, that's gonna be ami ashchi. So it's like ami. Ami means I am. So ami, ashchi, and coming is ashchi right there. Coming, ashchi, ashchi, coming, right? So simple as that. Come here, ekhane asho. And I'm coming means ami ashchi. And coming, ashchi. That's it. Hey, any question, concern, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, you guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.